bringing NFTs to the DeFi world. As NFT grows in popularity, its applications and use cases extend beyond digital collectibles and gaming. This growth has seen NFTs adopted in various industries, such as decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. DeFi is a financial service that exists on the Ethereum blockchain. It serves as an alternative to the traditional financial system, as it is transparent and eliminates third parties. DeFi applications allow you to earn interest, lend money, borrow money, trade derivatives, buy insurance, swap assets, and do a lot more. A drawback illiquid assets like digital collectibles face is their inability to generate revenue unless they are sold. However, with DeFi technology, you can stake your NFTs and earn rewards without having to sell them. The main concept is, you transfer your NFT to a decentralized application, and the NFT is subsequently staked in a liquidity pool through a smart contract. Staking rewards vary, depending on the platform and the staking duration, with rewards being the DeFi platform's token or another NFT. DeFi users can also use their NFTs as collateral to borrow money. For example, a $20,000 NFT might be used as collateral for a $10,000 loan. As soon as the loan and interest are paid back, the NFT is released from the smart contract. This is really useful for people who do not want to sell their NFTs but need liquidity. Decentralized finance has numerous use cases for NFTs. And interacting with these decentralized applications has been simplified by the CLV wallet, with users having access to a host of DeFi applications, all on a single device. Nice. That was fun. Keep an eye out for more videos.